Gas sensors aren't always located in areas where they are easily accessible for calibration. Depending on the application and gas properties, sensors could be located in HVAC ducts, tanks, pits, up in the ceiling, and in many more inaccessible locations. So how do you calibrate these inaccessible gas sensors? The MSA CalGard remote calibration adapter solves this problem, allowing users to easily perform an accurate remote calibration. Simple gassing adapters are able to perform a safety functional test, but not a calibration. The MSA CalGard remote calibration adapter, or RCA, not only allows for a functional safety test, but most importantly, it enables the ability to perform an accurate calibration from a safe and convenient location. The gas supply tubing, which can be up to 30 meters or 100 feet in length, is connected to the bottom of the CalGard RCA. When a gas cloud is present, it passes through the mesh on the side of the CalGard RCA, reaches the sensor, and is detected, initiating an alarm. To perform a functional test or calibration, gas is applied through the gas supply tubing. When the calibration gas reaches the CalGard RCA, the gas pressure pushes the internal bellows mechanism up and around the inlet to the sensor. With the bellows pushed against the sensor inlet, very little gas escapes. It then enters the sensor housing where the sensor is located. Since the concentration of the gas is not affected by the ambient air, a successful and accurate calibration is performed. The MSA CalGard RCA's unique design allows users to calibrate remote, inaccessible sensors without having to be at the sensor itself to manually apply the calibration gas. This avoids having to shut down HVAC ducts, compressors, generators, or any other equipment, and eliminates the need to erect scaffolding or enter a pit, tank, or similar dangerous areas. It also reduces time and resources and improves the efficiency of your service team. The CalGard RCA can be used when detecting hydrogen sulfide, carbon monoxide, oxygen, methane, hydrogen, and propane with Excel sensors for the MSA ULTIMA X5000, General Monitor's S5000, MSA TG5000, and also on Prima X or Series 47K gas detectors. The CalGard remote calibration adapter is another example of how MSA continues to lead the way with unique solutions for the fixed gas and flame detection industry. Visit our website at msasafety.com/CalGard for more information.